Hi! So I let my students ask me anything, and I had some awesome results. So I'm going to answer as many of the questions as I can. What's your favorite board game? Othello. Where's your favorite place to go? My couch. If you made your master's degree, would you be satisfied? Yes, because I set my goal to get my master's degree. That was the highest level of education I wanted, and I set my goal, and I'm working towards it, and I'm about to reach my goal in December. Was it a struggle for you to become a reading teacher with your struggles with dyslexia? Yes and no. Yes, because I still struggle with reading sometimes, and sometimes I make a mistake, but I am human, so I try to fix it, and I try to lead by example, which is also a good reason why I became a teacher for reading, because I can show students those examples of when we mess up with reading, and it's okay, and we can fix them. When you were younger, what was your dream job? Always wanted to become a teacher. How did you feel when you were hired as a reading teacher? I was nervous because I was about to be in charge of 24 students, and that can be nerve-wracking sometimes. But I was super excited because I got my dream job, and I was so excited. What do you picture your future life like? Well, when I retire, I really want to sit by the pool with my cup of coffee and my puppy in my lap. That would be ideal. What do you think the meaning of life is? I expected this. I'll give it my best go. I think you should set goals. I think you should work hard to reach those goals. And once you have reached those goals, move on to the next goal that you're going to set for yourself and keep working to make your life better and better and growing yourself as a human being. What was your middle school life like? Honestly, I was kind of a dork, kind of a loner. I tried to stay out of girl drama, and it was pretty uneventful. I had a locker. That's what I remember. Why did you get your master's degree, and what are you getting your master's degree in? I wanted to be more educated in education, and I wanted to be able to teach teachers one day. So I'm getting my master's in teaching and learning with a focus of online teaching, which is the focus of online resources and how to bring in technology into the classroom. Besides reading, what is your favorite subject? Math. What is your favorite food? Pasta. What is your favorite part about teaching? Making learning fun. How do you cope with dyslexia through the years of teaching? I just review the materials ahead of time, honestly, and if I have a word I don't know, I'll look it up, and I learn from it. If you could have a wild animal as a pet, what would it be? Wild animals are kind of smelly, so I don't know if I really would have them, but if I had to have one, I'd probably say a monkey. What is your favorite book besides Hoot? Harry Potter, Hunger Games, Percy Jackson, or Narnia? All of the fantasy genre. What is your favorite Netflix show? Right now, Criminal Minds, NCIS, or anything with criminal, mystery solving. What is your favorite part about teaching? Hanging with all the cool kids. What is your favorite thing to do on the weekends? Nap and relax. Why did you become a teacher? Is this what you wanted to do? Yes, I always wanted to become a teacher. I was offered a reading teacher job, and I took it. What is your favorite hobby besides reading to do when you're alone? I like to color. I like to draw some things. I'm not good at drawing, but I give it my best go. How did you feel when you got to 5th grade? Were your teachers annoying, and was it hard? Honestly, I don't really remember 5th grade, so I'm going to say it was good. Do you read any other books like The Magic Tree House or any other book that you think was funny? Junie B. Jones and Judy Moody, hilarious characters. They're a hot mess, and I loved it. What's your favorite food? Mashed potatoes. What other job did you want before becoming a reading teacher? I didn't want any other job. Maybe a math teacher? I just wanted to be a teacher. Do you believe that we can pass the 4th grade? Absolutely. Give it your best effort, and I will do my part to help you, but you have to do your part to help me, and you can pass 4th grade. Do you have children? No. You are my children. How do you get money? Well, I'm a teacher, so I work at a elementary school, and that elementary school pays me money to work there. So that's how I get my money. Have you ever traveled in your life, and where? I've traveled to several states around the United States. I've been to Jamaica, Mexico, Honduras, Roatan, Canada. Where do you like to visit a lot? I like to go to Omaha, Nebraska. That's where my grandparents live, and so I like to visit them a lot. Your favorite candy? Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, for sure. How has teaching affected your life or mood? It gives me purpose and pleasure. I absolutely love coming into work every day. However, when the kids have a rough day, I usually have a rough day as well because that's hard to watch kids struggle. How did you become a cool teacher? First of all, thank you for the compliment. Second of all, I just try to get to know all my students, and I try to be very relaxed. I do have set extremely high expectations for all my students, and I expect them to follow all my expectations. However, I love all of my students, and I want them to feel appreciated and heard in my classroom. What is your favorite thing to do during the summer? Go to new places, try new things, be adventurous, love it. When is your birthday? It's in January. How old are you? 25. What is your favorite holiday? Christmas. Where did you go to college? Stephen F. Austin State University. Go Jacks. What is your favorite part about teaching us in school this year? I've really enjoyed watching all of my students grow this year. I mean, huge growths. Not just academically, but personality-wise too. I've seen so many students just come out of their shell and start talking more and making more friends, and it's been awesome to see. I love seeing that growth. Let's see. What is your favorite animal and why? Puppies, because they're adorable. Why do we take the STAR test? Well, we take the STAR test to show the state of Texas what we know and how successful we were this year. In big scheme of things, it also comes down to if the school is being successful or not. How many years did it take you to become a teacher? 4 years of college at Stephen F. Austin State University, and then I had to take a big test, a certification test that went over 5 different subjects: math, reading, science, social studies, and the fine arts. And I had to take all 5 of those sections under 4 hours and prove that I understand how to be a good teacher for those things, and it was very stressful. Do you like your job? Absolutely, I love it. What is your middle name? Lillian Lee. I have 2 middle names, Lillian Lee. How do you like being a teacher? Couldn't be happier. What's your favorite thing about school? Honestly, probably recess, because I like to just sit and watch the kids come up with the craziest and most interesting games on the playground. Like the other day, we were finding red rocks that were mulch, and they were magic coins, and I don't know what they were doing with them after that, but it seemed really intense, and I loved that the imagination was just going. I thought that was so cool. What's your favorite movie? She's the Man. What's your favorite color? Navy. Do you have a middle name? Yes. Do you have a dog? No, and I want one really bad. Do you have any pets? No, and I want one. What is your favorite Harry Potter character? Okay, this one's hard. I think Ron Weasley because he's super funny, but honestly, I'm probably going to have to go with Hermione Granger because she uses her brain to just be awesome. Like, the first couple of books, she's kind of just nerdy, but then in the last couple of books, she just, kills it. She is just amazing. She's a strong, independent woman, and I love it. What's your favorite food? Parmesan chicken. What's your dream pet? I want a dachshund or a corgi puppy, and I want it to be cuddly and soft. Are you married? I was asked this a total of 6 times. No, I am not married. What do you do during your spare time? I nap or I watch movies or TV. I really just chill at home. Do you work on schoolwork that we do in school? So if I'm giving an assignment, yes, I do it beforehand to make sure that it's appropriate for my students and it's like the right level for them. But also I have to create an answer key, so that means I have to actually do the work in order to find the answers. So yes, I do all of the work that you guys do. What is your dream house like? This is a great question. First and foremost, it is cozy and it has lots of blankets around and pillows. It has a coffee station, so I can always have good coffee. And it has a game room because I love playing board games and I need a room to keep all of them. Do you like stuffed animals? Why, yes, I do. I do have 2 ladybug pillow pets, and I always have a little ladybug softie somewhere. Pillow, or anything like squishy and soft is like perfectly okay with me. What is your favorite book? Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, by far, hands down, my favorite book. If you had anything in the world, what would it be? I would have my dream house, and I would have my dream puppy in my lap in that house. Thank you for all of you who submitted a question, and I really enjoyed answering all of them. Bye, guys!